have low income, low assets, and there's different levels, but let's just say you consider yourself low income with low assets, you might want to apply for Medicare Extra Help program. It's also known as the low income subsidy. You can apply at any time. Go online and Google Medicare Extra Help. And then there's different levels that you will qualify for. So let's say you qualified for the highest level of extra help and you're like, I'm already on Medicare Advantage. My Medicare Advantage has 0 monthly premium. How is this helping me? Well, Medicare Extra Help will still help you if you have a Medicare Advantage plan, because maybe you have late penalties because you made some mistakes along the way. Those are now waived. Your copays and your deductible can be waived. So it can benefit you. A lot of people that should qualify don't qualify for extra help because they didn't really look into it. They just thought, I think I have too much in the bank. And that could be true. So you need to work. Maybe you can finagle what you have in the bank to get it low enough that your assets meet the criteria so you can get this extra help, because you can see this is very valuable. This is worth thousands of dollars a year depending on how many drugs you take. So what do I mean? Finagle the money you have in the bank, your assets. So they're not going to look at your house. I don't care how expensive your house is. They're not going to look at your house. They're not going to look at one car. Let's say I'm talking about a single person. They're going to look at, okay, most people that have low income don't have a stock portfolio. They don't have a 401k, an IRA. They have some money in the bank. They might have a CD. They might have some savings, a little nest egg. Maybe they have, $20,000. Well, that's too much for a single person. So there are ways for you to spend that down, get a better car, make an improvement to your house, prepay your funeral. You can prepay the funeral of several of your kids. There's things you can do with that money that still benefit you, but then would allow you to qualify for Medicare Extra Help so that your drug costs would be lower, which you desperately need if you have low income. The income is generally not the problem, and you can Google to find out the income levels for married and singles. Google low income subsidy levels for the year. And you're like, oh, our income qualifies. We got this bank CD. Or I have too much money in my 401k. You can talk to, there's specific types of attorneys. That's all they do. It's called Medicaid estate planning. And they help you figure out how to move your stuff around so that you can qualify for some of the benefits. Because a lot of times, that little bank CD that you inherited from your parent is preventing you from getting thousands of dollars of benefits over the course of your retirement. So if you don't know much about Medicare Extra Help program, also known as the low income subsidy program, research it, go to the internet, educate yourself. Might be benefits that you're eligible for. Thanks for watching. If I helped you today, please give me a follow or subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.